I didn't think it was going to happen in the first lesson because I was petrified, and true to her word, she had my head under the water in the first hour. Through all the years that I've missed out swimming with my children growing up, 40 odd years of not going in the water, going on holidays and sitting on the side while everyone's enjoying themselves, if they splashed me, I'd just walk off. Well, I went to Thailand and it was awesome. I was swimming with angelfish, I was swimming with tropical fish, and it was just natural without the help of second nature. I've never ever even dreamed of. Every penny that I spent learning to swim was worth it. To do the things I'm doing now is unbelievable compared to before I started swimming. Brilliant.